Today we're gonna make this delicious pumpkin whipped feta with honey and thyme. You already know that I love feta, and the fall is everything pumpkin we love in this house. So we're gonna combine feta and pumpkin. And what better thing to serve when you have guests over? Dips with pita. So we're gonna make a pumpkin whipped feta today. So we have here, food processor, so easy. We're gonna take 8 ounces of feta. We're gonna take 4 ounces of cream cheese, and we're gonna blend this together first. So when we're blending this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now it looks nice and creamy. We're gonna add our pumpkin puree. So this is just 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And in the fall, I always have cans of pumpkin puree in my house because if you check out my website, you'll see lots of recipes where I make with pumpkin. So we'll add that to this. And next we're gonna add our seasoning. So we have a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna do an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Mix this up. And while that's mixing, I'm gonna get a little thyme, clean some thyme sprigs here because we're gonna add some fresh thyme to this as well. So I'm gonna get that ready. Amazing. Now it's nice and creamy and it's ready to serve. How easy was that? So here I have a black platter. I have some grilled pita that I've already made. And look at this adorable pumpkin. It's a ceramic pumpkin, so cute, adorable for serving. You could also use an actual pumpkin, hollow it out and put the dip inside if you like for a presentation. Or you could check out my Amazon store and I'll link some of these ceramic pumpkins for you. So we're gonna put that there. I'm gonna scoop this into our serving bowl here. Amazing. Oops. Don't fall. Look at this beautiful dip. If you're doing a holiday charcuterie table, this is perfect. You can add this adorable little pumpkin to your charcuterie board. And you can use all different, you could do pita, whatever you like. So, we're gonna cut this pita here. Perfect. Put this around here. Okay, we're gonna drizzle a little honey on top. And a little fresh thyme. I mean, this presentation, look at this. Amazing. Can't wait to dig into this one. Look at that. Perfect. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.